Schools have become major users of technology, and the number of services and devices using the internet continues to grow in schools. We're seeing more tablets being rolled out to children. There's more services from an admin perspective that are being rolled out to the cloud. And as a result, the bandwidth demands that are being placed on schools are just continuing to grow. And at the same time, schools need to ensure that the children are kept safe and the schools are actually kept safe. Historically, most schools will have purchased through local authority, and as a result of that, the schools are lacking in the knowledge of what's actually required, what's been required, because the local authority has taken care of that for them. When schools have decided that they do want to move away, we've seen certain local authorities discouraging them from doing so and actually making it quite difficult. It's also very difficult for school business leaders to understand the different technologies that are out there and the bandwidth requirements that they actually need. You've got to ensure that whatever solution you put in, it's not just the broadband, it's the firewall, it's the filtering element, because that's what keeps the children safe, and that's all got to be compliant with the Department for Education guidelines. Thousands of schools across the country have already moved away from local authority-led buying for broadband services and have benefited greatly from reduced prices. If you are like them and you would like to look at other broadband options, then our broadband procurement service can help you with that. First of all, we'll explain the different technologies, because there are different line types out there. There are different firewall and filtering solutions. So we'll help you understand those technologies, and once we've decided what is right for your school, we will then go out to procure that right type of connection for you. We only go out to education-specific broadband providers, so they deal with schools on a daily basis, which is really important because you have to adhere to the guidelines laid out for the Department for Education to ensure the safeguarding of your children in your school while online. And in addition to that, by using our service, ultimately our remit is to ensure that you are procuring the right solution from a reputable supplier, and it is procured at the very best possible price.